Welcome to your Beaufort County News Headlines. I'm Matt Goldin, and here are today's top stories. The Town of Yemassee recently announced that site work is beginning on the River Road Sewer Project in partnership with neighboring Beaufort County. The project, funded by Beaufort County through its Good Neighbor program, will install an alternative sewer system including individual grinder pumps and common force main to serve 6 homes and 1 resident and 1 industrial customer on River Road in Beaufort County. The abandonment of existing septic tanks and the installations of 2 remote terminal units, including radio equipment to allow 2 existing pump stations on Guest Drive to be monitored as part of the Lowcountry Regional Water System's existing SCADA system. The River Road community abuts the Basin National Wildlife Refuge, and many homes are on failing shallow septic tanks that pose an environmental hazard from potential ground contamination. The existing sewer line that serves the Vetrostone USA campus will be abandoned, and a new sewer line will follow the right-of-way along River Road. While the majority of Hunting Island reopened over the weekend after a 4-day closure due to Tropical Storm Debby, drenching rains, the state's parks campground remains closed. Based on the barrier island's history of flooding and erosion issues, state park officials closed Hunting Island on August 6 in response to predicted heavy rains and the potential high winds from Debby. While all-day use areas in the park reopened Saturday, officials said they plan to reopen the campground on Thursday. That makes a 9-day closure for campers who are looking forward to their early August getaway at the famed 5,000-acre island, lush with Lowcountry flora and fauna. The popular campground averages about 89% capacity and brings in 40% of the park's revenue, according to a 2022 county report. The state's 2% accommodations tax grant cycle will begin in a few months. In order to apply for this year's state's 2% A-tax grant, the State Accommodations Tax Committee is hosting a mandatory workshop to help ensure proper application and expenditure of funds. These will also allow applicants to ask questions and get a better idea of the process. To be eligible for the state's 2% accommodations tax funds, a representative from each organization must attend one of the 2 workshops. RSVPs are not mandatory but greatly appreciated. Please RSVP to atax@bcgov.net with the name of the attendees, organization, contact information, and the workshop date of choice. Attendees will be required to sign in at the workshops. Both workshops will be held in Beaufort County Council Chambers at 100 Rebo Road in Beaufort. They will be Tuesday, August 20th at 10 a.m. or Tuesday, September 3rd at 5:30 p.m. Those interested in running for office in Beaufort County only have a few days left to register. The deadline to file the proper paperwork with the election board is Thursday before noon. So far on Hilton Head Island, 6 people have signed up to run for 3 town council positions. One of those is incumbent Alex Brown. In the city of Beaufort, Mayor Phil Cromer has 1 challenger so far, current Councilman Josh Galate. There are 4 people, including 2 incumbents, running for Beaufort County Council seats. The Beaufort County Council has 3 positions open on this year's ballot. For more information on any of these stories, please visit the sources on the screen, and as always, you can go to BeaufortCountySC.gov for press releases straight from Beaufort County. Thanks for tuning in to your Beaufort County News Headlines. Have a great day, Beaufort County.